Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial. Actually, technically, I'm doing a review because one of these bad boys was a complete and utter fail. These have been out in the stores for a long time. They are the Trio by Avon. Why was it going to say Avon? Almay. I like the trios because it says, this is what you put on your lid, this is what you put on your crease, and this is what you put under your eyebrow. It's in the shape of an eye as if you were closing your eye, which I love that. But I started doing a tutorial on how to put the eyeshadows on, and I was shocked by one of them. So if you're wondering which one I'm shocked by, just stay tuned. And if you could, please push that subscribe button and that little tiny bell next to it. Let's get to that video today. I know these have been in the stores forever. These are the Trios by Almay. And I did not grab the one for brown eyes. I got the one, this one says it is a trio for hazel eyes. And this is the trio for blue eyes. I was looking at these and I think that it's very misleading to say this is only for blue eyes, this is only for hazel eyes, yada, yada, yada. Because both palettes here work for my eye color, and I have very dark eyes. And I have very dark hair today because I just colored my hair. That's why I look a little bit more fair. But let's go ahead and swatch these and see how it is. So if I open the palettes here, this is quite interesting. This is the brush that it comes with. It's like a side brush, which I don't really prefer this type of brush. I don't even prefer how it's shaped, you know. But let's go ahead and just swatch these. This one I have, so that is really nice color. It's almost like when you rub off that top layer. Look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. That's really pretty, really pretty. So it's like when you wipe off that top layer, it's almost like they have like a velvety feel to them. And I don't know why I just went right on top of the fingers I just swatched for the other one. But let's go ahead and look at these three. Very pretty colors. They're very soft when you feel them. Okay, I'm going to match my shirt. So this is the one for hazel eyes. I'm not going to use that little brush that it comes with. I'm going to actually use my own brushes. We're going to go ahead and dip into the green here. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can see exactly where I'm placing it here. We're going to just put this in this area of the eye on the lid. And with the crease color, I'm going to get a different brush and I'm just going to place this right throughout my crease. And I'm going to bring it down on the corner a little bit as well. Okay, I'm going to take a clean brush now and just go right on that line up here and just kind of blend it to be a little bit more soft. So I noticed that when I did that, I took off a little bit more product blending it than I would like. So I'm just going to kind of go through and add a little bit more. And getting the highlight color, the very top whiter shade, I'm going to just place this under the eye here. Okay guys, so like I just showed you what I did to the eye, and I think I'm actually going to remove this and try the other palette. I'm going to try on the other eye the trio for blue eyes, because if you look at it, just look at it, do you notice that it's very patchy? Look at this. I mean, like there's a spot right there. It's like it drug right there. It looks like some has already come off within my eye area right here. And I've never really had a complication like this unless I'm using like really cheap makeup from Walmart, you know, kind of like their gift set makeup. So let's go ahead and try on the other eye and hope for the best that this palette is much better. This is the other palette that we are going to be using, the one for blue eyes. Okay, so taking the shade that goes on the lid, I'm just going to go ahead and place this on the lid. And this does not look like it's picking up much color or transferring a lot of color from my brush to my eye. I'm going to try one of these packer brushes. You can see the bristles are like more natural hairs. They're more coarse and thick. Let's go ahead and change the brush and try it like that and see. going in with the crease color, the dark brown. I'm going to place this in the crease. I'm actually surprised that they said this is for blue eyes because I pick these colors all the time for my eye color for brown eyes. So this one looks like it might be promising. Wow, do you guys see the difference? Look at how this just like patchy and smooth. Take a clean brush and just try to blend the edges there. Cleaning that brush off, I'm going to go with the highlight color. Just place that right under the eyebrow and in the corner of the eye. Okay guys, so look at the eyes, how they look so drastically different. This one looks really nice and smooth, and this one looks really choppy. Same eyeshadow primer, both eyes were prepped the exact same way before putting these on. So what I'm going to say is these are probably two different formulas. You would think that they would be the same formula. They're not. One works completely different than the other. Now when you are applying this on to your eyelid, I wouldn't use like a synthetic brush like this. I would use like something that has more grip, like I was showing you guys, like these types of brushes, so you can pack on that lighter shade better. But yes, there's a big difference between these two formulas, even though it's the same company and it's the same, like they're in the trio line. Do not get the one that is for hazel eyes. Go and get the one that says for blue eyes. I think it went on really, really pretty, so I'm going to take this off and show you guys what my makeup looks when it's finished up. I'm just gonna put some eyeliner and some lashes and I am done. Okay guys, so my makeup is finished. This is what it looks like. I do want to say that I loved the one for blue eyes, which is ironic, you know, because it should be labeled for brown eyes or for every eye color, because this is a neutral palette. This one is a total fail. So I don't understand if they're within the same line, like these are the trios they make all together, they should be the same formula, but I really don't think that this is the same formula. So, and I absolutely hate when I buy makeup that's a fail because I feel like I'm throwing my money away. And yes, I buy all these products. So the green one here that has the green color, I'm not flicking you off. The one that has the green in it that says for hazel eyes, I would totally pass. Bad, 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 ugly, 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 spotty, bleh, bleh. This one was really pretty, and that is currently what I'm wearing, and you can just see how smooth it is in the eye. If you guys like this tutorial, please push that thumbs up, and please, please push the subscribe button, please, and that little tiny bell next to it. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.